I just wanted to discuss a little bit about women's health and wellness and a special procedure that we offer here in the office that is called the O-Shot. The O-Shot was founded by Dr. Runnels. This guy right here, you may also know him from doing the vampire facials. He started the female O-Shot to help women not only with having better sex, but also with some other issues. It can help with urinary incontinence. It can help with dryness caused by menopause, by pregnancy, any other issues. It helps with that. So it's a really awesome procedure. It actually uses your own body to help heal itself. So actually using your own platelet-rich plasma, or as we call it, the PRP, to help with better orgasms, again, incontinence, dryness, and just a revitalization, especially after childbirth. Women like to get this procedure. It is very important. Do your research, of course. You can check out Dr. Runnels' website, the O-Shot by Vampire Medical. It's also important to make sure that you have somebody certified, a medical professional, perform this procedure. Always want to see their certifications before you get this done, of course, which we do have. She was trained by the specialist. So definitely ask those questions when you talk to your doctor. And if you have any other questions, come on in. We're right on Ridge Avenue. We have this book. If you want to read some more, we can definitely share that with you, answer any questions. You can stop in for a consultation. We are also having an awesome event, Let's Talk Sex, that's going to be coming up on the 27th of September. It's open to men and women. We have some men's health information also. So aesthetics information, have you feeling your best, looking your best. We'll also have food, some spirits, of course. It's open to everyone. We're going to be opening up at 5 o'clock. So I would say definitely if you have questions, come in to the office. Definitely help support us. Come to the event. It's going to be awesome. We have a lot of fun surprises for everyone. And if you have any questions, I'm going to post our information below. And you can give us a call. Our number is 888-REGEN20, extension 6 for Philadelphia. That's where we're located. And be sure to like our Facebook, Instagram. We're on LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're also going to be sharing some informational videos on there too. And we're always here if you have questions. So hopefully we'll see you all on September 27th. It's going to be really fun. Thank you.